Ian here from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about sending in 3 separate SKUs using the Send to Amazon workflow on Amazon Seller Central. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. This is the Manage FBA page, and I'm sending in 3 separate items. The information you should have prepared are, first of all, how many items of each SKU are going into the shipment, the box weights, and also the box dimensions, and this is 1 box. So this is the first item that's going in. Check it off on the left. The second item that is going in is this one, and then finally the third item is this one. Okay, so I've checked off 3 items where it says action on 3 selected. Do send replenish inventory. So it will say, sure you want to do this? Click yes. And then it goes to the Send to Amazon workflow. By the way, Send to Amazon, this is the new workflow. I think they launched it about a year or 2 ago. It will completely replace the replenish workflow, probably by the time you see this particular video. So get used to using this one. Marketplace destination is United States. And the way that we pack this, it's 3 SKUs in 1 box, individual units. So we say the number of units that they're recommended. So for this particular item, it is 20. For this particular item, it is 46. And then for this particular item, it is 10. So then click Ready to Pack for each of them. Okay. Pack individual units. Okay. Be careful here to click everything will fit into 1 box. And then click Confirm. So the box dimensions, I already prepared that. This is in inches, by the way. And the box weight, we already weighed it. Now, this warning comes up every time I use it. It's hard to explain why it's happening, but basically, if you have kind of root permissions to run your Amazon seller account, you can just press confirm and continue. It will be fine. If you don't, that is you're an associate user or perhaps your supplier you've granted permissions, they may have problems with this. I discovered this recently. And if that's the situation, either you have to increase the permissions to that person or you have to take it on yourself as the person who manages the Amazon seller account. So I'm going to click confirm and continue despite the warning. So it says confirming fulfillment centers. So it's going, today is Tuesday, it's actually going tomorrow. And then this is the fulfillment center it will be going to. This is for my company. If your company is located in another part of the country or another part of the world, of course it will be a different place. $8.77 for UPS shipping. That's actually a fantastic rate for a 27-pound box. So then you accept the charges and confirm shipping. Takes a little bit of time. Okay. One last step before I print out the labels. I always rename the shipment. So it gives a kind of a technical number for the shipment name. I always rename it. So later on when I'm looking at it in the reviewing my shipments, I can easily see what was inside. So 46, I have just names for this blue bar. 10 olive, and then 20 brown bar, and the date. So this will help me remember what it is if I look at it later on. Actually, I'm just going to leave some spaces there so it's easily readable. Okay, I think we're good. Save. So it accepted that. That's a new name, and then I'm ready to print it out. That's all you need to do. You don't need to confirm anything. Once you've actually purchased the shipping, it's ready to go. I have another video which shows what happens if you make a mistake and you need to void the labels. There's some restrictions on that, so I suggest seeking out that video. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org and click on blog or video, you can see many more of my blog posts and videos about running an Amazon business. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.